Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds Creative Outlier Air from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Now, right here we have a main earbud what connected with the phone, so we need to disconnect this one. If you have connection with the left one, you need to disconnect the left one. Click the information icon near to it, and right here in the third line we have a button what called Disconnect. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between Disconnect and Unpair. Disconnect will stop Bluetooth connection between your earbuds and the phone, but leave it at the device list. And Unpair totally remove your earbuds from your phone. So tap on it, and as you can see right here we stop Bluetooth connection. It's not connected with any of the earbuds, and we left it at the device list. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.